Hey guys, I'm back today with another recipe, and today I'm going to be showing you how I made these baked smokehouse maple honey glazed wings. Alright, so I will be cooking mine in this cast iron skillet. So I am going to go ahead and do a light layer of extra virgin olive oil on the bottom of that skillet to make sure that those wings do not stick. Make sure that you lay your wings flat and they are not laying on top of each other. And then we're going to give them another light coating of oil, and we are going to season them with this McCormick Smokehouse Maple seasoning. That oil is going to allow that seasoning to stick just a little bit better. So we are going to season both sides of our chicken, and I am also going to add just a little bit of salt. This seasoning does not have a lot of salt to it, so I'm going to add a little bit of salt just to bring out those flavors just a little bit more. We're just going to pop these in the oven and let them bake on 400 until they're done. Alright, once the wings get done, you are going to remove them from the skillet, and then you are going to make your sauce in that pan. Why I did this the way I did it, I don't know. But we are going to add to those chicken juices 2 ounces of honey and a third of cup of light brown sugar. If you have regular dark brown sugar, you can use that as well. Maybe just use a fourth a cup. And then I also added a third a cup of water. And we're just going to bring that to a simmer until it thickens and makes a nice little sauce for our chicken. Alright, you guys, that is it. So now it is time to plate them up and serve them. Tonight we will be having a side salad to go with our wings. And look, y'all see my plate ain't got no chicken wings on it, honey. These wings were so damn good, I had to eat mine at lunchtime, okay? Mine did not make it to dinner. So leave me a comment below. Let me know, are you team drumstick or team flats? And will you be trying this recipe at home? I'll catch you guys next time. Bye.